Namaste, I am Srimati. I am Vyanati Yoga online therapy session student. I am having few health issues like high BP, migraine and thyroid. Considering that yoga will heal my health issues, I contacted Prema ma'am and she suggested me to join IBP online therapy session. I am undertaking that since past 2 months. I was taught some asanas and pranayamas related to migraine and high BP, and Prema ma'am was giving me regular suggestions for practicing the same. I was doing it continuously during the weekdays also. After regular practice, my BP has become normal now. It is under control along with my BP medicine, and also the frequency of migraine attack has been reduced. So I could feel better, and there is a huge transformation in my lifestyle. So I feel that yoga has brought a great change in my health also. Thank you.
Everyone can see me how I am sitting now. This is the big change, very big change. Before, I'm not like this. I'm not able to sit down. I'm not able to stand so long. My friend suggested me to do yoga, and she took me to Premaji. She told me, first you go to doctor and do MRI scanning and then come to me. I will suggest what to do. I went to doctor and I took MRI scan. There some ligamentary. I fell down so many times. My leg, it's got hurt very badly. My right knee, especially right knee. I'm not able to sit down. I'm not able to bear that pain also. Last 6 months back, it's suffering a lot. Doctor, they gave me so many medicines. And they suggest me to do knee surgery, knee replacement, and early stage of arthritis. So immediately I started doing yoga. First, how I am, I told you. Now, how I am. I'm sitting in these 2 months. Big change, achievement for me. And next level, I want to sit Vajrasana. So many years I'm not able to sit down. Now this is the position after 2 months. Thanks a lot, Vainati team, Premaji and Nilofarji.
Hello everyone, I'm Valvi. I'm suffering from knee pain from more than 10 years. I consulted so many doctors, and when they took X-ray and all, they used to tell me anatomically there is no problem, but still I used to have pain. Then one day my friend Sailaja suggested about Vyanati Yoga and Prema ma'am. So I decided to join. I joined in therapy yoga for 2 months. Within 2 months, I got so much of relief. I can say more than 50%. Now I am very happy, and I'm going to continue also. Before, I never did yoga, anything. This is the first time I'm doing yoga. Now I feel my body I'm very flexible and I'm very happy. And I did pranayama session also with Vyanati Yoga. I'm very happy with that. I had to tell my one more problem. From 1 year during night in my sleep, suddenly I will get up with breathlessness and palpitations, and after that I will be so scared, and whole night I never used to sleep. But after doing pranayama, now I can say more than 95% I'm relieved from that problem. So I thank Vyanati Yoga and my gurus Prema ma'am, Uma ma'am and Nilofar ma'am. Thank you so much.
Namaste ma'am. Myself Charmi Parekh. I am from Saudi Arabia. मुझे नेक पेन और आर्म पेन का बहुत प्रॉब्लम था. नेक पेन की वजह से मुझे आर्म पेन ज़्यादा हो रहा था, तो मैंने डॉक्टर को दिखाया, तो उसने मुझे फिजियोथेरापी के लिए बोला कि आप फिजियोथेरापी ले लो, और पेन किलर दिया. तो बाद में मुझे पता चला कि ये वानिति का आसनास के क्लास चालू होने वाले हैं, तो वो 2 मंथ के हैं, तो मैंने वो ज्वाइन किया. तो ये आसनास के क्लास से मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और मेरा नेक पेन और आर्म पेन में बहुत मुझे रिलैक्सेशन हुआ। और मैं वो जो पहले दवाई लेती थी, मेडिसिन लेती थी, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता था। अभी तो ये वो भी मैंने बंद कर दिया और अभी मैंने ये सिर्फ या आसनास की वजह से ही मेरा पेन कम हो गया है मुझे। तो थैंक यू सो मच सोनल बेन। सोनल बेन ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से हमें प्रैक्टिस करवाया और कैसे करना है वो सब अच्छी तरह से बताया। थैंक यू सो मच सोनल बेन फॉर योर काइंडनेस, मोटिवेशन एंड सपोर्ट। थैंक यू प्रेमा मैम। नमस्ते।
Namaste all. I'm Rekha. I'm staying in Muscat for past 12 years. I had frozen shoulders for 5 years. I was not able to sleep on left hand side or either on the right hand side. I used to sleep flat, just opening my hands like this, and I used to sleep like this. It was very painful. After 2 months before, I heard Prema's asanas session. Initially, I didn't believe whether yoga will heal my pain, but on believing on Prema's words, I started asanas class. After 2 months, now I'm able to sleep on left hand side as well as on the right hand side. As well as now, I'm able to sleep throughout the night without getting up. This healing is unbelievable. Thank you to Prema ma'am and Sonal ma'am. Thank you very much.
Namaste. I am Urvashi Kotadia. I would like to share my experience with Vanity team. Since last 5 years, I am suffering from back pain and neck pain. Because of this sleep disc issue, I am not able to sit for 1 hour on the floor. After practicing this suggested asana in this therapy session, now there is a lot of improvement in my back pain and neck pain. I was practicing this asana 2 times in a day. As a result of this, I am now able to sit for a longer time without any complaint. I am really grateful to Prema Man and Sonal ji for their continual guidance. The way she taught us, this class was online, but I never felt like this. But it was like personal face-to-face class. Thanks Vanity team for teaching us. Thank you so much.
I am Naina Panya from Vanity Group. I had a sciatica pain and back pain. I was placed under Shrikantji's class. With Shrikantji, with the full interest, dedication and discipline, handled this 2 months classes with us. As per health issues and health problems, he always used to give individual the small tips and took the interest in each and every participants. I am thankful to Shrikantji and Premaji and
I'm gratitude to Prema ma'am because she gave us a new lifestyle. So a big gratitude to Prema ji. She gave us pranayama. She gave us 108 Surya Namaskara. She gave us 108 Om chanting and the asanas. So very big gratitude to her and all the entire team. Because the teachers are doing a very good job. I was doing for years, but the breathing techniques and the posture correction, even though it is online, it is done very, the clarity is equal. So a big thanks to you all. So like I had a meniscus tear on my left knee. After joining these 2 months, like even I can't believe I'm doing more than 5,000 steps now. So I can walk nearly 5 kilometers. I don't have any strain. So thank you so much.
Actually, I knew yoga before, so I came with the feeling कि अभी क्या नया सिखाएंगे. I am going with the, going because I'll be helped by the professional person. But your yoga technique, your focus on yoga technique is so useful that all these asanas which I was doing before, I think I was getting only 25% benefit or even less than that. So that was a big awakening for me. Then in terms of my knee, I was not able to stand beyond say 30 minutes or something. Then my stamina has improved. In terms of yoga, the kind of stretches I am getting, they are phenomenal. They are just phenomenal.
and my knee has definitely improved. The teachers have been extremely patient in encouraging you and getting you on a correct path. So I genuinely thank both Nilofarji and Tamimji for the way they have taught, with their patience, with their knowledge, and with their professional attitude. And thank you, Vanity Yoga, so much.
Hi, I've just finished a 2 months Global Asana class for high BP with teacher Lakshmi Prabha. She is a very good teacher and teaches with a lot of patience and understanding, and I really enjoyed learning from her. My BP has come down to near normal now, and I would recommend this class to anybody who has high BP. Thank you.
Namaste. I've been a Yaniti student for 10 years, and recently I had dropped out because I shifted to India. But when I started getting lower back pain, I contacted Prema and she was like a godsend. She advised me to join online classes with Preeta for my lower back pain, and that really was helping till I developed very high BP and started fluctuating a lot. And at that time, Prema had started her therapy sessions for 2 months for specific diseases. So I joined Lakshmi for asanas for blood pressure. And Lakshmi has been really wonderful. If Prema is a godsend, her teachers are angels. Lakshmi has been very attentive, very caring, and very thorough. If I ever had a problem and I spoke to her about it, she would follow up, call up, and find out how I'm doing the next day and what asanas would really help me. So thank you so much, Lakshmi. You have been a really wonderful teacher. And thank you, Prema, for all your help and guidance. I have been blessed from when you entered my life. Thank you. Namaste, everyone.